Hi, my name is Nicolas Gallego.
Hi, I'm Logan.
Hi, my name is Ezine Summer.
Hi, I'm Alexis.
What I've enjoyed the most in Ezine is how much I've learned. I never knew it could take so much time to make a magazine.
Just making the magazine because you get to learn all the Adobe programs.
Just working with my team on the magazine and just seeing what I can do in InDesign in Adobe.
Meeting my new colleagues that are going to be with me for the next 4 years and learning about technology and cameras and new Photoshop and Air and Lightroom.
Probably getting to create the magazine spreads. It was just learning to use so many different programs.
My favorite program, honestly, it has to be Illustrator.
My favorite program is probably Illustrator because you can do so much on paper.
Lightroom, because I really like how they edit photos to make them look more cool, and you can change how they feel and what they see.
My favorite program to use is the one I use most in this class, which is InDesign. So the best part about creating my magazine is between creating my feature story and putting the magazine together.
The best part about creating the magazine is honestly taking all the pictures and the interviews, because you get to get other people's perspectives about what they do, and that's something I've never really done before, so I really enjoyed it.
The best part is just knowing how to design everything, because it's really fun just to add the pictures and make just the spreads just a really cool design.
I think the best part is that you start out a little bit awkward with your team, but then you get to know each other and you create this magazine together, and it's a lot of fun and memories that you get to keep, and you get to know
The most challenging part was honestly not the transcribing, honestly the writing, because it's after you finish the writing, Mr. Garcia or our teachers, they edit them, and then you'll make some changes, but it's a back and forth process until you get the story that you and the teacher wants.
So the most challenging part for me is probably just writing down the text for the magazine, since it has to be more different than the actual book writing.
Article writing rather than because it's somewhere in between story writing and an academic essay. It's neither of those